Well, if you're here in Houston, Texas on the I-69, you can pull off the freeway into this little strip mall where a husband and wife team went to Italy, found the chef they really liked, and finally convinced them to come over here and help them open up a joint. You want a one-way ticket to Italy? It's right here. Fresco Cafe Italiano.
In Parma prosciutto, burrata and bruschetta.
This is where I come to feel like I am in my little town in Nicosia.
It's so good.
My mother's full Italian, and it reminds me of back in the younger days of tasting the authentic Italian food.
One ravioli.
Roberto said he wanted to come to America to create what he created in Italy. He was admitted to the country on a very special visa because of his expertise.
You have a chance to range through the different cuisines from Sicily to Lombardy and everything in between.
Spaghetti carbonara.
I always get the carbonara. They make their own guanciale in-house.
The guanciale comes from the pig's cheeks.
I can never have enough of it.
Carbonara.
Carbonara.
The first we make guanciale in home.
You make your own guanciale here.
Yes, pork jowl, okay? Italian salt from Sicily.
Finally, we're gonna put salt somewhere.
Black pepper.
That's it?
We keep in the cooler for,
A week.
yes, after lo appendiamo.
Right, we hang it.
Yes,
Right.
for usual 6 months.
So this one's been hanging.
We cut the guanciale, see the color.
Gorgeous. That's gold right there.
We cook the guanciale, we cook the spaghetti, and we mix fresh egg, black pepper, pecorino.
Sheep's cheese. It is going to be lights out. This is done, and now we wait for the pasta. There's an Italian saying that pasta waits for no one. You understand the saying?
No,
It's a famous saying. I don't know.
super al dente, yes?
Yes. Really got to work it fast so you don't get yourself some scrambled egg. Carbonara means food coma. See this right here? All that sauce adhering right to the pasta. Beautiful, simple, precise. Salty and fatty from the guanciale. Really good pepper, really good egg yolk. If you're gonna use this few ingredients, you gotta have the right hand at it. Good night.
The carbonara here is just as good as any of the carbonaras that we had in Rome. The sauce is just super creamy from the eggs.
Gnocchi ready?
I think that Roberto, what he does is amazing.
You're eating a piece of Italy.
I would have driven by it 1,000,000 times. You don't know what's behind the doors. The real deal is behind the door. Fantastic.